as me. Who the best, that's me. Heard they stressed about me. They be out here looking like they wanna catch some beef. Motherfuckers out here so they can't dress like me.
What's up, boys? It's been a while. I forgot how to vlog a little bit. But no, we're back in EI. Cam's taking the Legacy out on the beach. It's a perfect place.
I wonder if we're gonna get stuck. Nah.
Cut to getting stuck. Do you have like tire tracks or anything?
Nah.
All right. Well, this vlog could be really good or really short.
This thing weighs like nothing. It just goes right over the sand.
You're right over the sand, dude.
It does. I'm telling you.
Goes right on over the sand. No problems.
I didn't even air down when I went on the beach earlier. It did just fine.
Are just all the Subarus open header now?
Yeah. No. There's a good reason this one is. I ordered a high flow cat like a week ago and it still hasn't come in. But the old one I broke the O2 sensor bung off of and I can't weld it back on.
And how did you break it off?
I hit it with a hammer on accident.
All right.
But that was an accident because I was trying to hammer the roll pin back into to put the new axle in.
Cam murders exhaust shirts on the way. Cam exhaust killer t-shirts coming soon. All right, we're about to roll up to this ramp and we're gonna see what happens. So. Hey, waves actually.
Bro, who brought the dually out here? Goddamn!
We made it.
We're not stuck yet, dude.
The open headers are eating.
Bro. We're not gonna get stuck.
Oh, there's a drop off there. I was gonna try to drive down.
Get to the hard stuff. Get to the hard sand.
Oh my god.
Dude, I gotta get out and just have a video of this thing coasting by.
Flying.
It would be so bad.
I'll do it after the pier. I want to get down on the hard sand.
Yeah, this is just not the place to stop.
Yeah.
It'll be the last place we stop today, that's for sure.
Yeah, if we stop right now, we're done.
So I probably can.
Oh, fuck.
All right, we're good. We're on the hard sand.
Second gear.
Hey. Pretty good.
This thing's a unit, bro.
It is the day.
Right along.
No one thought we'd be on the beach in a Legacy. I had no idea, but we're here now.
It's gonna be so loud when we get here.
Uh-oh. There's a little bump. Let's get the surfer's reactions.
That's bad. What the f? What are you guys doing? Stop around, bro.
This is the biggest kooks I've ever seen in my life.
She's a little stuck. I shouldn't have tried turning around.
Oh yeah, she's eating now, but.
Alright, this is a little f.
Oh my god.
I called it.
Matthew, what are you, a surfer now, man? Oh, sure
Yes, sir. With the boogie board.
I love how we're just making Cam do all the...
Hey, dude, Cam was confident we wouldn't get stuck, and we're stuck now.
Airing out the tires. definitely not gonna get stuck. We're good.
I wonder if we're gonna get stuck.
Nah.
And then he tried to turn around and it all went
We're
down.
not gonna get stuck again, dude.
If I stop and try to turn
It was
around.
a bad idea. It's a terrible idea. Bad idea. Bad idea.
minor setback.
Best part about vlogging is you ain't gotta do any pushing. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. Look at this. This is just a cursed. It's a cursed image. This should you should not be on the beach. Oh well, we made it.
Great success. Great success.
Great success.
We're golden.
Like it never even happened.
Yeah, nothing even. You guys didn't see anything. But now this Uber?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, man. I just need a ride back to my house.
Hello, I'm Rajesh. I'm your Uber driver.
This is the craziest Uber ever. I'm getting blasted with sand. This is like pelting me in the face from the window.
Yes, sir.
Spick and span.
Salt free.
Nice.
Perfect car wash, huh? We made it off the beach, boys. Now we gotta re-air up the tires, and we got stuck. Cam aired them down, so now we're putting the air back in. Yeah. Then we're probably gonna go pick up my truck, go to Cam's house, JB weld the rear diff because he like completely like sanded it off on the road, like grinded it off on the road. In one of the other videos, if you've seen it, where he's just throwing sparks for like 5 minutes. Crack the bottom of the diff, drain all the diff fluid. So we're gonna JB weld it, put diff fluid in it, and hopefully limp it to Andrew's house so we can shoot the walk around video of the Outback. So if you're hyped for that video, definitely leave a like. I don't know if we're gonna post Andrew's walk around video first or the Outback, but it'll be coming soon. Either one, I don't know yet. So definitely be on the lookout for those. So we're gonna get some air in the tires, and then we'll see you guys at Cam's house. It's in the garage.
Yeah. How did JB weld my diff so it doesn't leak?
Duffy's here. Duffy, oh, with the Jordan Duffy's.
Jumpin', KD, you're the Sunday. I just
Turn. And the ostrich boots.
Emerges from the darkness with the kicks, dude.
Cam, how long you think? Time frame?
Like 5 minutes probably.
How many wrenches is this install?
Nothing.
No wrench.
No, I just need to spray some like brake clean on it to clean it off, and rub this all over it. And set for a couple minutes.
Go to the hospital. 5 minute
I gotta
install.
eat quick.
5 minute install in the ER.
All right.
Motor cleaner ought to clean it.
So 0 out of 5 wrench install, guys. You can do this literally in your sleep.
You could do this yourself. We're doing a DIY video on how to patch up your diff because you're so static you scrape through it and you can't hold diff fluid anymore.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're gonna be JB welding our differentials so they don't leak diff fluid on the road.
I'm bagged.
All right, Cam.
Bags are
Oh God! Start the war in the comments. Bags versus static in the comments. I'm a certified JB welder. I'm certified in JB weld, quick steel.
I have my license.
What can I say? I'm a professional here.
Dude, we just take this bitch out more often.
All right, let's see how long this takes.
Absolutely perfect.
Nice bike, man.
Bro, look.
How's it going in here, Cam?
Good. About to just fill up the diff. Shit, can someone hand me the impact?
Donde está Lost Impact?
It's on top of the toolbox.
Cam, why
don't you put
jack stands under there?
The fat toolbox on the...
There's like 7 toolboxes.
Yes, the big black one.
Okay, there's 6.
Whoa! If anybody was wondering what the trunk of the Outback looked like, it's just full of fenders and other miscellaneous parts. It's very dark, but Outback trunk reveal. All right, so we just left Cam's. He's finishing up the diff work with the JB Weld. Now, me and Andrew and Duffy are going to the Pokemon store. About to hit another band at the Pokemon store. Duffy's getting in. Is that seat down? Oh, you're straight. Perfect. But yeah, we're headed out to the Pokemon store. And then going back to Andrew's, probably going to get some food. And I got to finish watching Squid Games. But yeah, we'll pick the camera up when we get to the Pokemon Lounge. Alright, so we just left the Pokemon store. They don't let you film in there. But we got a lot of Pokemon cards. So we're definitely going to be opening those. I think we're going to go live on YouTube and open them. So we're live right now if you're seeing this video. No, we were live like last week. But yeah, now we're in going into Walmart World. And we're trying to see if we can get a light for the Instagram live or in the YouTube lives. And then we're going to look for more Pokemon cards.
Huh?
Pokemon cards.
Hey, we spent like a little over $200 at the first place, so.
It's going good. Lego, if you're watching this, please make a 240.
Lego.
Lego, make a 240, please.
Dude, why can't I do it?
This kid can't hula hoop, dude.
It's just weighted. It's just weighted. Try it right now. Try it. It goes straight down, dude. Gravity times 2 out here. Flip it around. Oh, they light up? On God? Yeah, see, this is a regular one.
Whoa, whoa. Why don't we have that, dude?
Have what?
The ultimate vlogger kid.
Ultimate vlogger kid.
Alright, we're good.
3 light colors.
Go, bro.
Yeah, white, white, and white.
Alright, so we're done with Walmart. We got the ring light, though, so we're golden. Andrew got it, and it's in his hand. It's in his hand. It might be broken. He dropped it in the store, and we didn't get the protection plan.
The handle comes out like really. Look at this. Ready?
It's a great handle, great marketing, great packaging. What can I say? No complaint.
Thank you so much.
Alright, I'm making a right on red. I might die. Hold on. I can't see anything. Alright, yeah, so anyway, we got the ring light. Do a live stream later. So we're definitely going to try to do something with that, I think. I think it'd be pretty cool. Well, we're on the way back to Andrew's. Cam is there. We're going to knock out a few more videos tonight. Like I said, walk around videos, so be on the lookout. Also, we didn't find any more Pokemon cards, but we have enough. So we're definitely going to be live streaming on the YouTube, and we'll post the VOD after. Don't worry. Well, we might be rich after this, and then we never have to do another day of work in our lives. Probably not, though, so we'll see you guys back at Andrew's. Alright, we made it back to Andrew's. We're at the crib. Andrew's already unboxing.
Christmas in here, dude.
Alright, so Andrew's getting it all figured out, I guess. We didn't factor in how tall the ring light was actually going to be. But
Well, if we're sitting, I think
that's the same one I used to have, so it'll be good.
Wow, I'm dizzy. If we're sitting, this is gonna be like.
Yeah. Probably going to open a few packs on the live, do whatever. Just something to like change up kind of what we upload. We'll do like some car stuff, Pokemon stuff, just stuff that we want to post. Because like we did our little break thing, we kind of got burnt out of just uploading the same sort of content all over again. Now we're just going to start uploading like whatever we want to upload, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we might go back to uploading the same videos that we used to. But hopefully everybody likes what we're uploading now. We'll still like sprinkle in the occasional car shows, stuff like that. That'll be the majority of the post, but we're going to also sprinkle in some like side stuff. But, you know, we'll see what happens. Trying out, expand the audience a little bit. But see if it works. Andrew's struggling with the ring light.
Well, look at this angle.
No, it bends. All right, boys. We got the ring light set up. We turned it off because we didn't want to drain my laptop battery. But I'm about to go downstairs and shuffle some cars around and start shooting the next 2 videos. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, we're getting back into the grind of things. We're going to start posting on a regular schedule again. We're filming 2 more videos tonight, full walk around videos of the BMW and the Outback. It's back there behind me somewhere. Anyway, it's going to be the end of the video today. Let's get a fat like on this video just for us coming back starting to film videos again. If you guys are new, subscribe. We've gained a lot of subscribers while we just haven't posted anything. So for all the new subs, visit notrustclique.com. Type it on Google, see all our merch, all our stickers, stuff like that. We're going to be dropping stuff very soon. Probably a To The Moon shirt coming pretty soon. Some other new stickers coming soon, so we're pretty stoked on that. Definitely be on the lookout for these new videos that are coming out. We're filming a lot this weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, see you guys later.